Hello students, welcome back. So in this session, I'm going to be talking about merge. So this is the official website for merge. Okay, you can actually go over there, visit, and you can see how this merge operation is done. So this website is where you want to visit because they keep this website current. This is the official website. So they keep this website updated. So if there's any change in the method or in this inbuilt function, you're going to be able to see this over here. And also it's very visual in nature. All right, coming back to merge. Now, assuming that oops, sorry. Okay, so these are some of the operation a merge performs. Now, if you remember, some of you who come from SQL background, you'll recognize one to one, many to one, many to many. So these are different types of operations that are performed in SQL when you join two columns. So similar operation can be performed using this merge. So let's start. Let's import the libraries. Import my pandas, run it, and there you go. Next step. So let's create some data frame. I'm going to create two data frame. I'm going to call them left and right. Okay, this is my left data frame. All right, and this is my right data frame. And then I do pd.merge. Okay, and I say left comma right, and I specify which column I'm merging on. I'm merging on column key right here. And then let's run this. So I'm printing my left. Okay, I'm printing my left. As you can see, I print my left, then I print my right, and I'm also printing my result, which is the result from the merge operation. So let's look at it. This one. This is my left right here. Okay, left data frame. This is my right data frame right there. And then when you merge, I specified my key, right? My key was this column right here. This is the column I'm merging on, key. So it's gonna combine all of them together. And as you can see, it merged both the data frame, left and right together. So you had A, B, C, D. You had A, B, C, D columns over here. You had C, D columns over here. And now your final result will have A, B, C, D columns. And it merged on K0, K1, K2, K3, K0, K1, K2, K3, which are your keys. Okay, now there is a parameter called how, very important. This is what actually does all your merge operation. Actually kind of helps you with the merge operation. So let's create the same data frame. Basically at this time I'm just adding some more additional keys over here. So I'm creating two data frame left and right, and as you can see I'm just creating two new columns, and so I'm specifying key 1 and key 2, and likewise on my right data frame I'm specifying k1 and k2, and then I'm printing my left and right, and then I'm merging now. So this time I'm merging using how. This is a parameter, okay, how. And I'm saying the merge on key 1 and key 2, and I'm specifying how equal to left. Left means that use the keys from the left frame only, that only merge those columns that have keys on the left frame. So as you can see, this is my left one right here, this is my right there. All right, and then it's only gonna merge only on those keys, okay, that is present on your left, which is on your left side, which is on this side. So you can see k0, k1, sorry, k0, k0, k1, k2, k0, k1, k0, k1. So you can see it merged only those elements, okay, only those records that were present on your left hand side. So let's look at this one right here. Okay, let's look at this one right here. What is this telling me? It's telling me that your K0 and K1 is present over here. You see K0, K1 is present, but your K0, K1 is not present over here. You can see K0, K0, you can say K1, K0, but you cannot find K0, K1 over here. And because you cannot find that, you will see this NaN appear over here. Okay, this is what's happening. All right, then you have another way you can merge. So in this case, I'm using keys from the right frame only. All right, so now I'm using keys from the right frame only. So over here, I used my keys from the left frame. All right, over here, I'm using my keys from the right frame. So let's run this, and there you go. So as you can see, this is only gonna merge those elements that have keys on your right hand side. Okay, it's only gonna focus only on those keys. So as you can see, you have K0, K0, so you'll find K0, K0, K1, K0, because K1, K0 is present. K1, K0 again is present. It's gonna you'll see that, and then same thing with K2, K0, K2, K0 is present. Let's look at one of these. Let's look at this one. What's happening over here? In this one, this one right here. In this one, you have K2 is K0, K2, K0. Okay, so it produces C and D column, C3, D3, but Remember, we are merging on your right hand side. This is, if you look back over here, this is merging. How are we merging? Using keys from the right frame only. But these keys are not present. K2, K0 keys are not present in your left data frame. So if you look over here, you cannot find combination of K2, K0. You see that K2, K0 does not exist anywhere. So that's why you see NaN and NaN values over there for A, B, C, A, B column. A, B column is there. A, B column is not over here. But because those keys do not exist, you get NaN values. Okay, then you can also use union of keys from the both frame. So in this case, you specify pd.merge, and in this case you specify how equal to outer, and what it's going to do is going to use union of keys from both frames. It's going to take both left and right frame, and it's going to take the union of that. And as you can see that you have k0 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 k1 k1 k0, you have all these keys, and you're going to find the corresponding keys over here too. Okay, so it's gonna basically combine both of them together. Okay, then let's take one of the elements so this way you understand. Let's take this one, 4. Okay, what is this telling me? That K2, K0, all right, K2, K0 is, where is that? There it is. K2, K0 is over here, right? So it finds for column C and D, is able to create an element, but K2, K0 does not exist over here. You can see K2, K0 does not exist. Since it does not exist, you will see NaN and NaN for the column BD, AB. For column AB, for K2, K0, uh, your values would be NaN and NaN because they do not exist over here. All right, then you can use intersection too. Okay, so maybe instead of doing union, you want to do intersection. So you can do result equal to pd.merge, and you can specify your how equal to inner. What it's going to do is going to find a common keys that is present in both data frame. So if you run this, there you go. So as you can see, what's common in both frames? Well, K0, K0 is common. You see K0, K0, and K0 is K0 present over here. So that's why you see the record over here. Well, what about K1, K0? Look at that. K1, K0 is over here, and K1, K0 is over here. So it creates a record for that. All right. So it's only going to create record only for those where the keys are present in this left data frame and the right data frame. All right, gentlemen. Thank you.